Analysis and recommendation. The major issues and challenges that we saw Citrix is facing are slow growth compared to industry average. A narrow focus on supporting Windows-centric environments could be pushing the firm to becoming increasingly irrelevant compared to its rival VMware, and transforming the entire business structure to the cloud. Alternative strategies that we suggested would be to increase partnership with Microsoft or to increase research and development investments with primary focus on cloud technology. Citrix has had an ongoing partnership with Microsoft, which has lasted over 2 decades. Without getting too tech-savvy, Citrix products and services are integrated within Microsoft software through its Zen Desktop, Zen App, and Citrix Cloud. Essentially, the relationship between the two is that Citrix platforms allow using Microsoft products more effectively. The alliance became even stronger in 2016 at the Synergy Convention in Las Vegas, when the two companies announced that they would make increasing efforts to take on common rivals such as VMware and Amazon. Citrix then launched its virtual desktop in Windows 10 Azure with new Citrix Essential services that allow customers to purchase Citrix services directly on Azure Marketplace. Citrix directly benefit from this partnership due to Microsoft's sheer size and grasp in the market. In terms of size, Citrix market cap as of today is just over $13 billion compared to the behemoth Microsoft, which is over $730 billion. Through leveraging Microsoft's grasp in the market, Citrix is able to better sell its products and services. Through an ongoing joint venture to deliver new customer value, the two firms are now aiming to accelerate business transformation to the cloud while maintaining security and reliability. As noted in the Wall Street Journal in an article which emphasized how important the cloud is becoming to many large multinational firms such as General Electric. By 2020, General Electric plans to move 70% of its computing workloads to the cloud. As a team, we believe that in order for Citrix to maintain its competitive advantage, they should continue in joint ventures with Microsoft as it has proved to be successful at sustaining growth for the firm. It is interesting to note David Heschenhall remark regarding its partnership with Microsoft in his interview. In the field, we are seeing more and more joint wins with Microsoft, and people seeing Citrix Cloud on Azure as the clear choice for their company. Citrix has always been a partner-centric organization, and it will continue to be partner-centric long into the future. The advantage of choosing this strategy is that it increases the firm's ability to penetrate the market. Through the leverage of Microsoft's dominance, Citrix can enter new markets and create new revenue streams. The potential disadvantages include high dependability on Microsoft and its ability to influence the firm's future strategic decisions. In addition, the growing use of Linux-based programs will not be integrated. Choosing this strategy will be less costly, and will promote long-term growth for the company.